Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is day 27, and after a huge gap, I am back with my English speaking classes. That I will tell you today. I will tell you that today I will tell you why I skip the whiteboard method of practicing English and why I am switching to this mic. And number third, we will discuss that how a habit can be developed within a person, or a person, how can a person develop a habit. First of all, why I choose the blackboard whiteboard white black. First of all, let me clear why I chose the whiteboard method of practicing English, through which I practiced a lot in just two classes. But why I did this? First of all, why I chose it and why I did it. The reason that I chose the whiteboard method, that I want to do a TED talk in next 1 month, and I thought that I have a lack of confidence, so that I can't give a lecture, and I cannot deliver a lecture. But after two classes and after 2 days of practicing, I I found out that I have enough courage to speak in public, and I have enough courage to do a presentation on TED Talk or any platform, or any social media platform. But the blackboard or whiteboard process is was taking too much time. First, I generate a story. Second, I have to practice it in in the flow, and then I have to write it on the blackboard, and then I delivered this as a lecture. And this too much time make too much frictions to build a habit or give a speech. So that I did it, because it was taking too much time that I cannot afford. And this and the method in which uh, I was delivering this type of speech. You watched that I had a mic. I had a boya mic, but that was also taking time to connect it, to uh, stretch the arm of the mic, and then I connected it to the for mobile phone, and it was also taking too much time. But I was reading the Atomic Habit, a book by the a famous book by the James Clear. I was reading it, and I found out that if anyone want to make a habit, that habit should be as frictionless as much as possible. Should be frictionless as much as possible, because our human is wired to do the least energy work. This means we are wired in such a way that we the video is uh, paused and stopped automatic, and I have restarted it. I was talking about how our system, or how human nature is wired to make a habit. Human nature always tend to do a work which requires less energy, and the less energy the work is required, we are gravitated towards that work. Like scrolling phone requires no energy almost, watching television requires no energy almost, and doing the random talks with friends requires less energy or less knowledge, uh, almost. But if we do a work, and we do the work that requires a lot of energy, we skipped it, and I was facing this that problem. I was facing this problem, but I was facing that problem. But I decided to make my this habit so frictionless as much I can possible. So now I have a mic, which is this wireless mic. I know that is not perfect as much as the Boya mic that was I'm using previously, but it will make my work, my habit so much frictionless that I can do this when in such a time when I don't want to do it. You know what I mean? Let me explain in such a manner that you will understand easily. uh, I hope you have garden, you have watered plants in the garden. Let assume a situation in which you used a pipe through which you water the plant, but there are some bends in the pipe, and water not flowing fully through the pipe from the wall to the open end of the pipe, and there is too much bends, or just assume there is two bends only. There are two possibilities that you can make water flow more easily and more water to the plant. Number one scenario is you just to open the wall on the full of full of water valve. You open the full valve, that can create much power uh, to the water to flow to the end of the to the open end of the pipe. But क्या हो गया? But it requires a lot of energy. You can call it electrical energy, or you can call it the mechanical energy. And number two possibilities is just straight the wall, just straight the pipe, so that you can eliminate all the bend from the pipe, and you will found out that water is flowing more naturally, and it not requires a lot of energy and lot of mechanical or electrical energy that requires the wall to pull the water from the open end of the pipe. And this is the exact reason how we can do more easily the habit we want to do. And if I ditch the story that I tell you and directly tell you what I mean here, it is two scenario. Number one, too much motivation. If we cannot make the frictionless habit, we just need a too much motivation that we can ditch all the problems, we can ditch all the time frame, and we just focus on one habit. But we have too much work, and we can just remove the friction that that can make our habit easy. So we have to make our habit frictionless. In my case, I just added friction, that I will write the story on whiteboard. Then I just add friction, that I will set up the tripod. Then I add more friction, that I will set the lighting, so that uh, I can focus on the whiteboard easily. And that frictions makes my habit more difficult to me, and that result in that result and that I had only recorded I had only recorded only 2 recordings in 10 days. Before it, when I was making the English story by just using the mic, I think I did not skip that much days, and I just skip only 1 or 2 days. And third day, I was recording. I am recording. I was recording my English speaking classes. In past days, I am talking about the January to May, except the Ramazan time. But now in the June, when I decided to stick to this habit, after too much motivation and after too much planning, I just ditched the English speaking recording and only recorded 2 classes because I had too much friction. But now I decided that I have to make this habit, and I will make this habit frictionless. So I decided to add this mic. I had one. I had one so that I can do it more naturally, and it I can do it even I am not want to do it. So if you want to make a habit, you just have to remove the frictions. It is called as subtraction by adding. Sorry, adding by subtraction. This phenomena is known as sub addition by subtracting. It means you subtract some things, but you add more revenue, you add more time, and you add more value, and you add the habit in your system in a natural way. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.